it keeps changing and evolving. And ultimately, that's the growth edge I like to be at in developing anything. I'd much rather be at the fleshy shoot than the bark of the tree, because I find it's more exciting when you don't actually know. It's sort of like watching a Polaroid picture develop. You don't know what it is, and then all of a sudden it snaps into focus, at least in this metaphor, momentarily, and then it's out of focus again. But it's right now we're seeing that people are really responding to events, and so I think there'll be a strong event component as things evolve. I think as we're discovered, membership will grow significantly. Right now we're around 200. I could see this being between 2 and 10,000 folks, and with that comes a new complexity.
Yes.
But I think that, we could be offering courses and coursework. Once you get people that have some commonality together, it's sort of ripe for bringing in guest teachers and things like this. I mean, who knows where this will go? I mean, ultimately, the world of practitioners decides whether this is useful and valuable to them or not,
Mhm.
and that's sort of the exciting piece is who will resonate. And every time a new member shows up, it changes the network because it's a different thing when one new person shows up. And so again, I'm sort of excited as much as sort of holding the vision. We don't want the vision to be too rigid either, because we want it to be alive.